Here I've got POCO M3, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select additional settings, and scroll down. Open developer options here. If you cannot find developer options under additional settings, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode in POCO M3 and then smoothly do it. Now, once you enter developer mode, scroll down and mark automatic system updates. And that's it. As you can see, now it is active, and from now on updates will be applied automatically once your device restarts. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.